Hello, it's Nina here from Nancy Said. I'm just working a little fringe on a bag and I thought I'd put the camera on and just show you what I'm up to. It's an uneven fringe, so I've made various lengths of chains and you go back up and down them with slip stitches. So in this case I've started with chain 8, and when we start into the second chain from the hook, that lets us get turned. So you work a slip stitch, bring it through and on through the loop. So into the stitch and back through the stitch and on through the loop. I'm using a nice fine hook because I want them to curl up. I want to encourage it to go a little bit sort of kinky. And this yarn, it looks a little bit sort of hairy and fuzzy like cord, but it's actually super soft like an alpaca. It's hemp, so it's as soft as a lovely gentle grass. Lovely. So last chain, slip stitch, and then I'll slip stitch back down onto the place where I started just to anchor that into place again. And then I'll start again by slip stitching into the next stitch over. Slip that through. And then this time I'll chain a little bit longer. I'll chain 10. And off I go again. And starting in the second chain from the hook, slip stitch all the way back down to the base. And when you get down, slip stitch into the same place and then slip over to the next place and chain up again. So it will give a fringe like this, which would work really well as the fringe on a scarf, a skirt, a cushion cover. Wouldn't it be lovely as a little fringe, or even a wee pram cover, you know, the flap that comes down over the top. Could be really lovely. So I hope you give that a go. It's a lifesaver. In this case it adds a little bit of weight to the bag. This is the cute pocket bag, and this will add just that wee bit of extra cover for it, because otherwise when you start to fill the bag it could lift up a little bit. So thanks on this very gloomy Friday. I hope you have a nice plan for the weekend. I'll see you soon. Bye.